Imagine waking up 5 years from today. Beyond human AI. You get ready for work, grab your coffee and reach for your laptop. But when you try to log in, access is denied. You check your email on your phone, only to find a generic corporate message. Thank you for your service. Your role has been optimized. This isn't a scene from a dystopian sci-fi movie. It is the calculated reality of the American job market. Right now, a silent revolution is sweeping across the United States. No protest signs, no massive factory explosions, just millions of lines of code quietly doing the work of human minds and hands. Within the next decade, researchers estimate up to 47% of all U.S. jobs face a high risk of total automation. The question is no longer if AI will take over the workforce, but who will be left standing when the dust settles. For decades, we believed that automation was only a threat to manual labor. We told our children to go to college, get advanced degrees, and find a safe, white-collar desk job. We were wrong. In a shocking twist, generative AI has targeted the cognitive elite first. Major Silicon Valley tech giants and Wall Street banks have already begun restructuring, leading to over 150,000 corporate layoffs. Entry-level programmers, data analysts, junior legal assistants, and customer support managers are finding out that an advanced AI agent can do their week's worth of work in less than 4 seconds. And it does it for pennies on the dollar without ever asking for healthcare, a vacation, or a 401k. When AI can write legal contracts, diagnose medical scans, and draft complex software code flawlessly, the traditional corporate ladder isn't just missing rungs. The entire structure is being dismantled before our eyes.